So regularly, this is my dirty workbench, and I work on chainsaws and anything mechanical or greasy in here. But since I'm going to be building a whole bunch of wooden chairs, I am going to set this up for my big chop saw and get this whole area ready for that kind of a thingy thing. We'll see how that goes. So I'm back here this morning getting this workstation set up for chair building. I've said this before, but I guess I got to say it again. I'm going to build 10 or 12 chairs. I believe I ordered the wood for 12, but I've changed my design a little bit, so I might not be able to make all 12. Nice outdoor wooden chairs. So I'm setting up a workstation because once I build a prototype, I'm going to get like a little assembly line going, building the other 9 or 11 chairs, whatever the case may be. So I got to get this bench vise out of my way here. So, one thing I'm going to have to do here is set some blocks over here so that when I put my 2x and my wood along here and chop saw it, it's up level and it's not going to be hard to hold it. So this is, oh yeah, 3 3/4. Yeah, you couldn't make it 3, 2 2x4s. You had to make it 3 3/4, which is 3 deck boards, which I think I can handle. 3 deck boards. All right. The other thing is these hardware buckets down here are going to need to be covered because I don't want them to fill up with sawdust. Or I can move them. That's going to be about it right there. Now, let's get a test subject down on this, eh? How about that? Oh yeah. That'll work out just fine. Look at that. Okay, so I'm finally getting started on prototyping my chairs. I'm going to make one before I make the other 9 or the other 11. I'm not sure if I'm making 12 or 10. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting myself some 24s so I can just do a set it down on the ground and do a fitting and see if all my measurements look good. And then I can go on from build the first chair from there. I still haven't busted open my nice wrapped new lumber pile. I don't want to until I know I'm really going to dig into this project. So that's what's going on. I'm going to cut some 24s. Crooked on me. the lumber pile is finally all moved and stacked. You can thank me later for not making you watch an old man move a big giant pile of lumber around. But I put all the treated over here on the southeast side of the workshop. Like I said before, this is all lumber for my new chairs that I'm building. Then the lumber for the interior of the big cabin, I got it stacked up right over there on the side of the workshop, as you can see. So it won't get wet, won't warp or anything until I get to use it. Because the chair project's coming before the interior project. And then I got this big stack of 2x4s right here. Again for the chairs, but not treated, so inside I got my work station all set up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an inventory of all my lumber now that I got it all divided up, and make sure my plans and the amount of wood I have all add together, do a little bit of logistics. I've gone through my entire lumber stack for the chairs, and I've figured out every piece that I got to cut for each chair. I'm going to build one prototype chair to make sure it's comfortable and everything fits together the way I imagined it. And then once that one prototype's done and I'm happy with it, I am going to build 11 more, 12 chairs in total. So now I am going to start cutting lumber. All right. So I have got 6 24-foot untreated cut already. And now I need 4 21s. So here we go with all that. There's the all the framing pieces for a chair right there. and this is going to be my prototype, and I'm going to start putting this together probably right now.
Already lived longer than I ever thought I would. I've done a lot of things I never thought I could. My love is easy, my little girl knows how. I got a strong suspicion that I'm getting happy now. Gonna mess with my cat, I'm gonna play with my dog, gonna love up my woman, I'm gonna sleep like a log. My love is easy, my little girl knows how. I got a strong suspicion that I'm getting happy now. Love is easy, my little girl knows how. I got a strong suspicion that I'm getting happy now. Said I'm happy now, yeah, I'm getting happy now. Said I'm happy now, yeah, I'm getting